Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Wednesday, April 18th, 2018. Biblical flooding worldwide. Mudslides and the worst flash flooding in years triggered a state of emergency in Kauai, Hawaii Monday, after 27 inches of rain fell in 24 hours. Then we saw another retreat of the waters from the shore of Kauai. This new phenomenon has been occurring with nearly every large coastal storm. More than 20 people were killed and 33,000 displaced from their homes over the past 11 days as flooding continues to affect Kenya, Africa. Floods have cut major road networks, causing transport issues, homes and crops have been destroyed, and the power supply severely damaged. 14 killed after severe floods hit Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, Africa on the 14th and 15th, with heavy rains expected to continue through May. And in Rwanda, flooding and lightning has killed nearly 50 people, with 160 injured, over 600 animals killed, and thousands of homes destroyed since March. In Martinique on the 16th, massive flooding after 250 millimeters or 9.8 inches of rain fell in just 6 hours, closing schools and affecting thousands. And another devastating rain bomb in Colombia, dropping a month's worth of rain in just 2 hours, killing 2 people. Over 1,500 homes and farms damaged after a devastating hailstorm hit northern Vietnam Monday. Authorities say that over 1,000 houses and acres of corn and plum trees has been damaged in the hour-long storm. More earthquakes in strange places as the 6th rare quake hits Nebraska in less than a week. On Monday, a magnitude 3.1 was registered. Earthquakes rarely hit Nebraska, as there has only been 46 since 1975. More landslides, sinkholes, and cracks worldwide. More than 70 landslides have hit Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania since the beginning of the year, costing the state millions. And a massive landslide in Riverdale, Utah, forced families to flee their homes, becoming more and more dangerous with each rainfall. And new cracks forming in Kenya, Africa, swallowing crops and threatening homes. 16 more families had to move from the area as their crops were swallowed on Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.